Hi kindergarten, welcome back for our math lesson today. Our learning objective today is I can identify 3D shapes. Read that with me. I can identify 3D shapes. Now remember, a 3D shape is a shape that you can hold in your hand, like one of these, okay? It is not flat, that's a 2D shape. We are talking about 3D shapes, which are solid shapes that you can hold in your hand. So far, you guys have learned about the sphere and you've learned about the cylinder. Today, we're going to talk about a new one. We're going to talk about the cube. Can you say that? Cube. Good. And let me turn this around so you can kind of get an idea of what the cube looks like, okay? A cube is a solid 3D shape and it has got several different sides and corners. So we're gonna look and see how many sides or faces it has. Let's count those, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? A cube has 6 faces or sides. I'm gonna put that up here so we don't forget that it has 6 sides. They're all flat. And if you look at these sides, what shape are the sides? They're all squares, aren't they? So you'll know it's a cube because every single side, all 6 sides will be a square. They're all the same. Now let's look and see how many corners or vertices does this cube have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 on top, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 4 on top and there's 4 on bottom. There are 8 corners or vertices on this cube. 8. So let me write that down. So cubes are always going to have 8 corners and 6 faces. Now, if I had to find a cube in my house, you guys could find one in your house. You want to find something that has a square on every side, okay? So for example, one thing I found in my classroom is this right here, a dice. Do you notice how every side is a flat square? There are 6 of them, and then there's 8 corners, okay? Something else I found is a cube that always sits on my desk. One of my students gave me this last year as a gift, and it's just a cube that's got some different teacher sayings on it, like it takes a big heart to shape little minds, or you are an extraordinary teacher. This side's got an apple. Anyway, this is a cube, and I can tell that it's a cube because every single side is a square. All right, so I want to see if you guys can find a cube. When you're done watching this video, go through your house. Can you find anything that's a cube? See if you can find something that's the shape of a cube. Okay, all right, friends, so we've been talking about 3D shapes. So far, we've talked about cube today, and then the other days this week, we talked about a sphere and a cylinder, and tomorrow, we're gonna talk about one more, and I'll give you a hint. You're gonna see me wearing a hat. All right, friends, bye.